Welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
Representative and License Office. Important points to register license or representative office. Net worth requirement, no income generating activity, name and new office, and taxation in India. List of documents for license office registration. Documents from mother or parent company if applicable. Certificate of incorporation or registration of foreign company. Memorandum of association and articles of association. List of details in respect of directors or key executives. Details of shareholders of the applicant company. Net worth certificate attested by certified public accountant. Audited financial statement of the last 3 preceding years. Banker's report from the applicant's banker in the host country. Documents required from the authorized signatory. Color photo 5, passport 5 copy, business visa copy with immigration stamp of arrival, national identity card 5 copy, latest address proof, board resolution appointing the AR, power of attorney in the name of AR. Preparation and documentation for registration of license office. Check eligibility for license office registration in India. For the purpose of setting up a license office, following is the most important qualifications. No income generating activity is permitted. The net worth of foreign head office must be about $50,000. The applicant company should have profitability track record of 3 years. Only 4 kind of activities are permitted for the license office. Please refer permitted activities for license office for details. Preparation and documentation for registration of license office. Basic documentation. The documentation plays a crucial role in smooth processing of the application for setting up the license office. Drafting of government forms and documents. After we receive the complete set of basic documents, we shall draft following document for signature by the applicant company and the authorized signatory. Board of Resolution approving the opening of the license office in India, declaration from the applicant on FDI eligibility and source of fund, declaration about the nature of the activity, the location of the activity of proposed LO and nature of the activity, the location of activity of the applicant company. From an FNC, the letter of code from holding company. Preparation and documentation for registration of license office. Legalization of documents. All documents which are originated from a foreign company or which is signed or executed in a foreign country shall be legalized either through Indian Embassy or to be apostilled as per the Hague Convention. Process and timeline for license office registration in India. Application for digital signature of authorized signatory day 1. Filing of application with RBI through AD Bank day 1 to 3. It takes around day 1 to 3. Verification of KYC from banker of parent company. It takes around 7 days. Approval of RBI for license office registration in India. It takes 15 days. Registration of license office with the ROC, PAN card, tax deduction number and bank account opening. Registration with the state police, GST registration and IEC. How we can help? PNJ Group is holding multi-service portfolio and more than 10 group companies along with network of more than 50 professionals over various fields of finance, accounting, legal and tax. Promoter Paras Mittal is qualified chartered accountant and company secretary by profession and hold experience of more than 15 years working in hospitality, IT services, cement, FMCG, finance companies, restaurant chain, food chain, organic farming, stud farm, and real estate. With such a diversified experience, he is fully aware of all litigates and in depth business metrics. He has advised more than 50 ventures to get the scalability and visibility with help of setting marketing network or operations or system procedures or biggest crucial operation information technology. Thank you.